welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please note that I make mostly lifestyle content and content relating to finance and so forth and making money online. So this is a little bit outside of my niche. The reason why I decided to make this video is because this issue has been happening to me over and over and over, but it seems as if I am too hard-headed to listen to YouTube and just stop using these contents or just minimize how much I use it altogether. So let me go ahead and start screen recording so that I can give you a walkthrough of what exactly is the issue, right? So here I am in my YouTube studio dashboard, right, the app. And right there where you see the second content coming down, it has a copyright strike, right? So this copyright strike, it was not there altogether. Like the song that I used, I went on YouTube and I searched for non-copyright background music. And this was one of the music that came up as non-copyright. So I used it on my video. So for the first 4 days, no copyright, nothing. And then here on the 5th day, copyright strike is there. No, I'm not laughing because it is funny. I'm just laughing at the irony. Now, the content that I make, I mostly do talking. So when I have to remove this copyright, and this is one of the reasons why I try to avoid using background music because of the type of content that I make. I do a lot of talking. So if I'm supposed to remove this copyright strike now, one of the things that I'd have to do is that I either have to trim it out, I'd have to try to mute the song, or another option that YouTube gives. Let me go on it and show you. Okay, so here I am on the dashboard on Chrome, right? So when you look right here, over here, you see copyright. And you can find this copyright by clicking here, the 3 dots at the top, and then you are going to click on channel content, and then click on details, or you can just click on the video itself. When you go to the content, let me go back so that you guys can see where I went there for those who don't know how to find this option to remove the copyrights right now. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so right here you're going to see content, right? And you're going to click on the content that the copyright strike is on, and as you can see, it's right there. So you go ahead and you click on it. Oh boy. Guys, this has happened to me way too many times for me not to learn. But this time it really hurts because, I mean, copyright strike is all over the video. Usually it happens at the near end or at the beginning when I play a song or whatever. But this time I decided to use a non-copyright song throughout the video because I was doing a bit of demonstration, so I didn't want to lose my audience and so forth. So I decided to put a non-copyrighted song on it, right? So let's go to details. Alright, let me zoom out a little bit. So right there you see it is showing you how much of my video is affected by this copyright strike, because the owner filed a copyright claim against the video, right? So right there you realize that from 6 minutes and 12 seconds all the way down to 8 minutes and 41 seconds, all of that was affected. But that is not just it. Look at this now. When I click on here and I click on let's say I'm going to mute the song. So this is what I was telling you about. If you get a copyright strike, a copyright claim, not strike, a copyright claim for a song that you used in your background, when you come here, you are going to either have to trim it out, replace the song, or mute the song. Now, the reason why I don't try to replace the song is because when you try to replace the song with one of YouTube's suggestion, there is no option that you can turn down the music. So the music overrides the audio, and trust me, it's a hell of a thing. It sounds awful. It sounds extremely awful. So I avoid that one. But if you are doing like vlogs or whatever, if something like this happened to you, you can replace the song because it's just a vlog, as in you're not talking. If that's the kind of vlog where you're not talking. But for me, it's just chatting away. I usually try to mute the song or to trim out the segment depending on where in the video the copyright strike or claim is at. Now look right here, and this is what I said. They said that it was from the 6th minute to 8 minutes and 41 seconds. But look at this. From the first 1st minute and 16 seconds to the 3rd minute and 23rd seconds. Then from 23:41 to 6 minutes. Then from 6 minutes and 12 seconds to 8 minutes and 41. Then from 11:59 all the way down. So guys, look at that. All of that is copyrighted. Oh my god. All of that is copyrighted. No, mute song only. Now the thing about it, why I said I try to avoid using songs in the video itself altogether, is because when something like this happened to me some time ago and I chose mute song only, guys, the video sounded like trash. I mean, it sounded like this software or whatever that they used to remove the song, it totally tampered with the talking that I was doing. When I replayed it, it sounded like crap. I mean, so I try to avoid using songs in the middle. I try to do like an outro or whatever, but not in the body of the video. Alright, so let me show you something now. Mute song only. Mute all sound when songs play. No, I want to just mute the song only, because if I mute all sound when the song plays, it's going to mute the talking itself. Now listen to this. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm going to go ahead and say please subscribe if you want to see more work from home jobs. Okay, let me continue. This process might take a while. If we're unable to mute the copyrighted song, we'll update any viewing or monetization restrictions on your video. The video will remain in its current state while this process is complete. And what they mean by the video will remain in the current state is that if you are a monetized YouTuber, while they are removing the copyright strike, and trust me, sometimes it takes even a day for them to remove everything, while they are removing it, the owner of the song will continue to get contributions from the video. Like every advertisement that is shown, they will get the monies from that advertisement because their content apparently, so that money goes to them, not to you if you are monetized. So until all of that copyrighted material is removed, the money goes to them and not you. And that is why I said, depending on the type of niche that you do, avoid using that song, because it's a hell of a thing when it's to be removed. Now let me try and mute this song. So guys, I was trying to show you a preview of what it usually sounds like when I use the option to mute the song only, but I don't know what transpired, but it just started editing. I don't know. Usually there's an option that shows up that says to do a preview, but I don't know how I missed that part. I don't know. Oh, let me do one more thing. I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to show you the exact song that I use, and I'm going to show you that yes, it had said non-copyright. So guys, I came on YouTube and I typed in aesthetic 1 hour aesthetic non-copyright music, and this was the one that I used. This one. Oh crap, let me pause. Yeah, but this was the one that I used, and let me show you the copyrighted song that it got copyrighted for. Yeah, that is a song that I got copyrighted for. And guys, I mean, like, look at the title. So, you know, 1 hour of aesthetic music, no copyright. And I told you the first 4 days, no copyright claims were filed. But then on the 5th day, boom, radam, right in my face, just like that. So guys, I'm going to advise you, if you can avoid using it, or what you can do is that, what's the name of the software? I don't remember the name of the app that some people just go ahead and pay for non-copyrighted music. But if you're just starting out on YouTube, I do understand that, you know, you don't want to, and you don't have a lot of money to spend up, you just want to try and wait. You don't want to spend a lot of money, you just want to try and to see how much money you can make so that you can buy your equipment and so forth. I do understand that, but as much as you can avoid using some of these, please go ahead and avoid using them, because trust me, it can be a horror to remove depending on the type of niche that you do. And I know that even if it's not in the type of niche, I know that you wouldn't want to constantly have to go into YouTube Studio to fix this, because it's super annoying. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.